Welcome to my face. So we are doing a slightly different video for me, and it's a get ready. So I'm going to slightly pull my hair back. Yes, it is slightly lilac-y. It's because I've gone very silver, and silver shampoo has decided to make it purple, but I kind of like it. So pre-warning, my ponytail is slightly more purple than you'd expect it to be. So let's start with my face. Where's my primer? There's my primer. I am sitting on my bed with everything to my side, so if I keep leaning over here it's because that's where it is. So first we are going to start off with the Nip and Fab Smooth Viper Venom Micro Blur Primer thing. I'm just going to put 2 dabs of it on my fingers and rub it all in. And one, can we please appreciate my nails? They are very pretty and they're holographic. And I started watching Simply Nailogical and I feel like she'd be proud because she is a holosexual and I love holo. So that's it for base. I am then going to take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade something 10 and literally just put it all over where my spots are, because I decided to eat a bag of Maltesers and shouldn't have eaten a bag of Maltesers because I'm allergic to milk. It's slightly orangey for the lightest shade they do, but it works.
I need quite a bit of it because I break out all over my cheeks when I've had an allergic reaction to milk. So, and I had this really nasty spot turn up the other day. So we're going to blend that in with my beauty blender. I will fast forward most of this so you don't actually have to hear what I'm doing. I'm then going to take 2 of my favourite foundations, my Urban Decay All Nighter and my Estee Lauder Double Wear, mix them and then shove them on my face. This is going to make me look so tanned because my hair is a lot lighter than I'm normally. So, I squirted it the wrong way. And I need to clean the top of that bottle. So I'm just going to lightly mix that on my hand and then apply it with a foundation brush, and then once it's on my face I'm going to completely blend it out so that I don't waste any product. And then I'm just going to wipe my hand on my chin. And now I have an orange patch on my hand. I love these foundations because they just will last all night, and the thing is, this is like a get ready with me like night out edition. I might do a get ready with me daytime edition, but you get bored because I literally put mascara on and that's about it. The thing is, these kind of balance each other out because my all night is slightly too white, like pale for me, and then my Estee Lauder is slightly too dark for me, so they slightly blend each other out, as you can see, because it's like a perfect match. Can we please appreciate it? I've not even got contour on yet, and my cheekbones are already like on point. I love my cheekbones. I always do my eyebrows like last.
I know some beauty gurus do them first, but I was like, not a beauty guru. And then I'm going to take my favourite concealer at the moment, and that is the Makeup Revolution concealer that is like the Tarte Shapes tape, and this is in C2, which is one of the lightest shades. It's like the second lightest shade, I think, or it was, and now they've got like 0 and 0.5. They are so good at like colour ranges. I'm going to slightly take this down the bridge of my nose and my chin just to highlight, and up here, and up here in my T-zone just to give a little bit of definition and highlight the high points in my face. For someone that doesn't do beauty on their channel, I'm actually quite good at it. I think I watched, when I was a lot younger, my mother do her makeup and it was atrocious, so I now do the opposite and actually try. I forgot to put primer on my eyes. I'll do that now. Where is it? Did I leave it in the drawer? No, I didn't. Where is it? Where is it? And then I'm going to take my Urban Decay Primer Potion in the original shade. I don't like any other shade. And basically just blend it in to my eyes, and then take my ring finger and just dab it in, just so it blurs out my whole eyelid, because I have quite pink eyelids to contour with, because I will buff it out. No, I've just picked up the same concealer, which is also the Revolution concealer, but this is in C12, so as you can tell it's like 50 shades darker than it's for me. And I slightly take it in the hollows of my cheeks, slightly blend, hollow a cheek, slightly blend, see? And then forehead, forehead, and then later I will do my nose contour with powder just because I feel like it gives a more natural look. And then blend, 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 and don't take it down as far as I do because sometimes I take it down too far and it's in my hair. I've got blonde hair and now I'm dyeing it back brown. I don't have brown hair for a reason. But I'm quite heavy-handed, so this could also be an issue. See? Look how like contoured I look already. And then top of the head, top of the head, top of the head, top of the head. I have now for the bit that I hate because I've currently got black trousers on. I'm going to take some Coty Airspun and take it in the top of my Coty Airspun packaging. This went travelling with me and now it's bloody everywhere. Look. I'm going to take this and then my silk finish brush from Zoeva. And then under the eyes, just to bake the under eye. I've got it everywhere. And I don't think this powder flashes back, so it's fine. I'm going to stand up. I'm standing on my bed. This could be dangerous. Ah! I've got powder all over my leg. I've got powder everywhere. How do I get powder everywhere? Oh my god. I'll sort that out in a minute. I've just got powder everywhere. So that is the beginning of my face done. We will need the powder later. More powder. And then I'm the weirdo that kind of sets her face and then goes on. Oh, I've got, yeah. No, no, no. Alex, you're baking today. So next I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Ultra Pro Powder Contour Kit and then, where's the brush gone? Okay, this is what I'm working with. This many brushes. For a child that doesn't do makeup, I have loads of brushes. Ah, falling out my top. That's paranormal. I am going to take this shade. Actually, I'm going to take this shade, which is like the lightest one. Slightly dab it on my Real Techniques
something brush. It doesn't tell me, it just says 301. I'll link everything in the bio. And then take that back down the hollows and give myself some extra definition. Oh my god, camera makes it look worse. And I am going to blend this out, but this is how I start. Heavy contour. And then I'm going to take one of my like fluffier powder brushes and blend. Just to blend. Why will it not come off on the... See, this side's nice. Like, not as heavy. For that fails, you take a bit more powder. Sprinkle it everywhere. And then lightly dust it so it just lightens it a bit. See, this side's darker than that side. But like, in the mirror it looks different. What? I'm making strange noises again. I do that. All else fails, blend out. See, it's just making it look harsher. Where's my concealer? We dab a bit of concealer on it. See, this is how not to be a beauty guru. I'm not a beautiful person. See, now that works. It looks like harsh. What is going on? My camera likes to pick up different colours. Next, I'm going to take my Naked Heat palette. Did everyone else watch me drop that? Yep, well done, Alex.
The colour is actually called Sauce. And then mix it with the colour Low Blow. And then shove it up here. Focusing most of it on the outer corner. And then like softening up the top.
Always pat off the excess and then you don't end up with as much. And every time I do my eyes, one always looks deeper than the other. Ta-da!
And then I am going to take my favourite brush ever, if I can freaking find it. That's not it. Hello? You can hear my phone vibrate, I apologise deep. Then I am going to take my Morphe E17, which is literally my favourite brush in the history of the world, and the shade in my Jaclyn Hill palette that doesn't actually have shades. I'm going to take this dark brown colour here, you can't see it, and slightly mix it in with a lighter brown, but keep going back and forth between the two for a bit. Tap, tap. And then I put it on the outer corner.
my eyes because I have green eyes, so browns, purples, anything like that really emphasises the colour of my eye. I do take it up into my crease, as you can tell. Why was I darker than the other? Go well. I was listening to Titans by Jeremiah, I think his name is. Maybe. Don't know how much. Now to the fun bit.
Colour. So I am going to take the golden shade, which is very much loved in this palette. I love this colour. Gold, especially for green eyes. And then I'm going to take a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. Don't spray it the wrong way, Alex. Oh, I've locked it. Well done. Little bit. And then on the eye it goes. And this gives it, it's a foiled shadow anyway, but it gives it more of an like foiled look. And it just makes your eye beautiful. And I am taking that through the whole of my eye. Like stopping at the crease, trying to like slightly blend it, as you can see. And then you go back to the colour. And then you go back to the Fix Plus. More Fix Plus. You will learn. I love setting sprays and everything like that. Back to the colour. And then back to your eye. And you like soften all the edges with these sort of colours as well. Ta-da!
And then I'm going to take a tiny little brush, which is one of my favourites. This is the Spectrum A16. I'm going to then take this sparkly white shade up the top corner, slightly on the edge of the brush, and put it in my inner corner. Just to make my eyes look bigger, because I have quite teeny eyes. And then I slightly blend it up into the gold, and then I take another blending brush, a clean blending brush, and then soften out all my corners and make sure everything is perfectly blended. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and we'll come back to the eyes in a minute. I'm going to take a angled shadow brush that I actually don't have a name for. My Pixie eyebrow palette. I'm going to take this light brown shade, seeing as I do have quite light eyebrows. Tap, tap, tap. What is the time? It's 5 o'clock. I feel like this is becoming my like setup area, and nope, I actually need a dark shade. Well done, Alex. I might have to mix shades because I have quite off eyebrows that don't actually match my hair. I have really dark eyebrows, you just don't have enough hair. I don't have enough hair in my eyebrows. I don't have enough hair in general. Ain't got no tears left to cry, so we're picking it up, picking it up. Remember, eyebrows are twins. No, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. And when they say that, I'm just like, twins can be non-fraternal. My cousins are non-fraternal twins. And then I'm going to take, wherever the frick it's gone, oh, it's over there. My favourite product in the world, my Anastasia Brow Wiz. Not Brow Wiz, it's the other one. What are you called? What are you called? Brow Definer. I found this the other day. I bought this when I was in New York. And if you know anything about me, I went to New York in 2016. So I'm just going to slightly define out my eyebrows. Just to give them more of a lovely look. I can't do eyebrows for the life of me. It's like the only thing that I can't do properly because it just doesn't suit me. My eyebrows are like non-existent as it is. At least I don't have sperm brows. Like, there are people I know that still have sperm brows. What do you mean? What do you mean, what do you mean? I need to stop referencing music because I start singing it in my head. What do you mean, what do you mean? Shorty, Almy, BBK, Monday, Sunday, BBK. And then I'm going to take my new favourite brow thing, and this is from Beautiful Beauty, I think it is. And it's a nourishing brow gel, but it's like tinted. So I'm just going to run that through my brows so they stay in place. Literally, my eyebrows are the only thing that come with me every day to work. Like, they are always done no matter what. And then I am going to take that same shade that I used underneath, on the inner corner of my eyes, underneath my brows, just to give them that extra oomph. And then you can actually see that I have eyebrows. You can slightly tell I've done it. I forgot to put, I needed the palette again and put it down. I have messed up the front of my brow. Where's the brow wiz? Where'd it go? I throw things. I have a tendency to throw things as well. The brow wiz, do its thing. See? He did its thing. Now it's sorted. What's next? I don't remember what's next in my face. What is next on my face? Ah, eyeliner. I'm doing eyeliner off camera.
Now you can tell that I can't do liquid eyeliner for the life of me. Hello?
Like, it's not even equal! And I'm back into my palette of life. I'm sure it does. This is gonna take forever to edit. I'll edit tomorrow. I'll edit soon. And then, mascara. We're taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara because it's my favourite mascara in the world. And doing a light coating of it, seeing as it doesn't really matter as I'm putting fake lashes on. That's why I've got heavier liner than normal. I also wear heavier liner on my app. Which is happening. Everything, if someone desperately needs me, they will bring me. Next, I'm going to do my bottom line. I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs eyeliner in this pinky colour, which I cannot remember. I think it's called Pink of Me. Pink of Me? Yeah, Pink of Me. It's a twist-up liner, and it's amazing. It just makes your eyes look bigger. And then I'm going to take a powder brush and get rid of that excess powder from underneath my eyes that I did earlier. And I think I just smudged mascara under my eyes. Probably. I don't know. Smart girl. I'm going to take that. And I forgot blush.
I'm just going to take my Spectrum A05 brush and California by Benefit, and then lightly dab that on the apples of my cheeks and backwards. You can barely tell I put any fucking thing on. And now we're going to put lashes on. I don't know which ones I want to wear. Do I go really, really bold or these ones? I need to measure them out on my eyes because I haven't worn lashes in a long, long time. And then we will smoke out my bottom lash line. So now we're at the bit that everyone's waiting for me to do, my lashes, because I don't do lashes. I have a trusty tool because I'm scared. Where's my nail glue? That's my nail glue, my lash glue. So I have cut them to size because I have tiny, tiny eyes and light brown shade. Tapping, very much tapping, and then slightly smoking out the lower lash line, only a little bit, just to take down that colour further to my lower lash. This is like what not to do as a beauty guru. And then my favourite step, after I've grabbed more powder to powder my face again, I think I've lent in powder because one of my legs has got more powder on it than the other. I'm just going to re-powder all my face because I prefer my highlight after I powdered. And then I'm going to set my face with the Too Faced Hangover RX 3-in-1. This smells amazing. I haven't worn lashes in so long, my eyes are like, what are on our eyes? And then flap the face. Just because it's easier to dry. And then I'm going to take my favourite highlighter palette at the moment. It's MAC's Hyper Real. And I am going to take the colours Flash and Awe and Rosy Glow, which are these two. And then mix them together. And then shove it on my face. So if you've seen this picture, that is what I've got on my cheeks, like those colours as that highlight. And then I am just going to take it on the tip of my nose, top of my Cupid's bow, and then I'm done. I need lipstick. I don't know what colour lipstick I want. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you've learned something. Like, even if it's like the stupidest thing of I can't do makeup. I know. And welcome to my hair after. Let's quickly brush it out. And then it'll be naturally straight again. So that is the end of today's video. I will see you all soon. Bye.